Cyrus the Great, a fair and wise leader. Cyrus the Great founded the Achaemenid Empire and is one of the most respected figures in Iranian and world history. He ruled with wisdom, kindness, and justice, creating a powerful empire where many cultures, religions, and languages could live together in peace. After conquering Babylon, he allowed the Jewish people to return home and rebuild their temple in Jerusalem. This action, also written in the Cyrus Cylinder, showed his deep respect for religious freedom and people's right to follow their own traditions. He encouraged different groups in the empire to keep their own languages, beliefs, and ways of life. People in regions like Babylon, Phoenicia, Lydia, and Syria were free to live by their customs. This new idea brought trust and loyalty to the empire and helped everyone feel safe. Instead of forcing his rule, he worked with local leaders, often from old royal families, so that people still felt independent. He returned temples, sacred items, and religious symbols to the people of Babylon, gaining their respect and support. The empire stretched from the Mediterranean Sea to India. Many languages were used in official work, not just Persian. Laws and messages were written in several languages, and local customs were protected. His kind and thoughtful nature is praised in many writings. A Greek author, Xenophon, described him as a strong but caring leader who gave advice about fairness, kindness, and tolerance, even before his death. He passed away in 528 BCE and was buried in a beautiful tomb in Pasargadae, the first capital of the empire. That tomb still stands today as a symbol of his greatness and humanity. Later rulers like Cambyses and Darius continued the same path. They respected diversity, improved the government, and helped unite different peoples under fair rule. What remains most important is not just the size of the empire, but the way it was ruled, with justice, respect, and peace. His legacy is a reminder that by honoring differences, people can live together in harmony. To this day, he is remembered as a wise and fair ruler who stood for freedom, dignity, and the value of all human beings.